Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily connect extensions in your Squarespace. So first things first, we have to log in into our Squarespace account, as I did a couple of moments ago, and now we have to pick which website we actually want to work on, and to which website we want to add those extensions. I'm gonna go with the first one. I'm gonna click on go to website, and in here on the left sidebar we have settings option. I'm gonna click on settings, and then we want to navigate in the left sidebar yet again. Somewhere in the middle left, we have extensions, and we are gonna click there. And we have a couple of extensions already prepared by Squarespace. And let's say you are looking for some kind of accounting extension. So let's go with QuickBooks. And once you click on QuickBooks, you see it's free. All you have to do is connect. Once you click connect, you will allow this extension, and the integration is happening straight away. So it will gonna take a few moments, and all you have to do is create the account or log in with existing account. That's all. So once you do that, you are ready to get advantage of those connected extensions. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.